How to withdraw funds from Bitrue. Are you guys facing issues to withdraw funds from Bitrue application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To withdraw your funds from Bitrue, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now on the main page, go to Assets or Wallet tab, which is usually located at the right bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on Assets. After you click on Assets, you will be able to see this option for Withdraw. Now just simply select the assets that you want to withdraw, such as Bitcoin or USD. Paste the recipient wallet address in the address field or scan the QR code if available. Just keep in your mind, in order to withdraw or deposit funds, you need to verify your account. If you don't know how to verify your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you select the assets, then select the correct network that matches the receiver's wallet, for example TRC20. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the network fields displayed on the screen. After confirming that all details are correct, tap on Withdraw. You might need to verify the transaction using 2FA code or email confirmation. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to withdraw funds from Bitrue. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.